So this is the Renishaw AM250. It's a additive manufacturing laser powder bed fusion machine. And the way it works is you start out with just a flat surface, and then you spread a fine layer of powder over top, and the laser goes over and it draws basically a 2D pattern. And when it draws that pattern, the powder instantly gets melted and then it solidifies, and it solidifies onto that base plate. The base plate then lowers just a little bit, a new layer of powder gets wiped over, and then the laser melts a new layer of powder on top of the previously melted part. And so it just keeps on doing that until all of a sudden you have a full additive part out of the machine. So each layer is about 40 microns thick, so you're talking about a third of the width of a human hair. So when you're building up a large part, we're dealing with thousands and thousands of layers. And so at that fine of a resolution, it takes anywhere between several hours to several days to create a bridge.
The big benefits to the energy sector for additive manufacturing is to essentially get better parts. So you got with additive, you have a freedom of geometry. So unlike CNC machining, where the tool has to come in and machine the part at different angles, access is difficult. You can make any geometry out of a metal 3D printer. And what that does, it makes parts better. It makes them, increases fuel efficiency, lowers greenhouse gases, or makes the overall efficiency of the part, be it the pressure, temperature, characteristics of the part better. In energy industry, wear is a big issue, specifically in the oil sands. So you look at materials that are widely used for wear are tungsten carbide and chrome derivatives and whatnot. With additive manufacturing, it's opening up a whole new set of materials, including high wear materials, and that's going to increase the reliability of the facilities. So yeah, essentially here's a filter that's been 3D printed, and the geometry is hard to see from the camera, but it's larger on the outside and finer on the inside, so that allows it to not plug as easily. So if you imagine this in a facility where they have to replace the filter every week because it starts plugging, this is designed to not plug or plug less.